Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports. Today we have a 2015 Honda CB500F with ABS. This bike only has 600 miles and is offered for $49.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. You'll save about $2,000 off a brand new one. This is a super clean bike. It has been lowered, so for those that are a little shorter in stature, it's going to be a great ride for you. If you're a little taller and want it regular height, you can definitely raise it back up to that if you like. The bike's been gone through by our service department, did an oil change on it, safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. Again, only 600 miles on this CB500F, $49.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, or at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.